So we've created this link. It's a 4-inch center to center on the holes, and what we want to do, what we're in the process of doing, is creating this 6-bar mechanism here, and so we'll say that we'll make these two top links 4-inch links. Maybe we'll make this one a 1-inch distance between these two holes here. Maybe we'll make that 5 inches, and 2 inches up from that we'll have a center hole here, and so on. Then also create a backplane to mount these two. So since we already have this part, we called it binary 4-inch, and so we can just do, at this point, we'll just do a save as, and maybe we'll make this one just a 1-inch. And of course, you could quickly make a whole set of different links if you wanted to. Okay, so now what we can do on this part is just change this dimension to 1. Right, sometimes it's a good idea to hit this rebuild button right there, and so now we have a 1-inch link, and we can go ahead and save that. So I'm going to close that part and go ahead and begin another inch part. And again, we want to draw on the sketch plane, put a sketch plane on this front plane, the XY, so I just click on that, click that button, and we'll do the link now with the 3 joints. So I'm going to do the holes first, and try to get another hole lined up over here. Okay, and so just going to go ahead and make these equal, and then also make the 2 points here horizontal. And in fact, maybe what we'll do is we can put a construction line between these two. So the difference between a construction line and a visible line is when you go to extrude something, the visible lines are what are, create things that you can extrude. The construction lines are just used to position things. So you can see if I hover over this, the midpoint lights up, and if I click on that point, I'm going to have a line that's connected exactly to the midpoint. And then if I put in a vertical constraint, okay, so this line then can be used to position another circle here, and I'll also make that one equal to the others. So you can see now we have all these circles will be equal. This one will be directed, located right above the midpoint of the other two. So I'll keep that symmetrical, and I'll go ahead and put in dimension here. So that will be 1/8, which is 0.125. And then I'm also going to put a dimension here and make this 5. Okay. And the distance up, we'll make that 2 inches. Okay, so you can see we now have these 1/8 inch holes. We only had dimension 1 because we had the equal constraint here. These holes are 5 inches apart, and then directly in the middle above those 2 holes we have 2 inches. So at this point I'm going to add some additional holes that we'll use for the outer edge of the part. And then we'll go ahead and make those equal. Just select all of them at once so that they're all equal. And I'm going to have to stop the video here and pick up with another video.